Assalamualaikum. In this video I will show you how to remove all section break add-ons in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, insert the section break, keep the cursor end of text and go to layout menu, break and next page. Now view the section break, go to home menu and click the paragraph icon and go to web layout, check the section break, go to find and replace and expand the more and less option and keep the cursor find what and click the special and select the section break and replace with blank and click the replace all. Now my all section break remove is add-ons. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.